Looky here, looky here, looky here. I wish you all could smell this, like literally. Already, I got flavors, and scents busting through this building. You understand me? What you're looking at, this is a 4-pound roast. It's a pork roast. Listen, today is New Year's Eve. You gotta have that piece of pork. Look how pretty that is. Now, the first thing is first. Now, you must wash your meat. Wash your meat. I don't care what anybody tell you. Get it out of there. Get out the package. Wash your meat. I done got this all washed up and everything. And I've let it sit. But it's been seasoned. When you're looking down there, you see some Lowry seasoned salt. Just a little bit, not a whole lot, because look, it's pork is salty enough. So you hit it with a little Lowry's, hit it with a little accent. I actually threw a little sage into the mix, just a little bit. And there's crushed red pepper seeds. But my secret ingredient that's going to really pull everything together that I'm doing on here and trying it, and I don't even believe this is what it was for, but, thank you, Miss Tabitha. Tabitha Brown, baby. I'm going with the sunshine from Miss Tabitha. I don't know that this is what she had in mind, but this is what I got in mind, baby. You see that? Garlic, ginger, pineapple, and mango, baby. I hit it up on there, baby. Secret season. It ain't nobody's business. Thank you, Miss Tabitha. Listen, I'm bringing in my new year with Miss Tabitha Brown in the sunshine season, baby, on this old piece of pork roast here. It's going to be pretty just like her. You understand? And listen, I'm getting ready to put a little butter in here. See, Tabitha do a whole lot of healthy cooking. I can't grab that brand. I'm not the most healthy cook, but I'm a good cook. Baby, I'm going to tickle your fancy and tickle your tongue. You understand me? Listen, I'm getting ready to get this all wrapped up. And you see this? This is Reynolds wrap. Please don't use fake wrap from the dollar store. I want things tight and I want it right. Reynolds wrap gets it right every time. Listen, we gotta go to the oven, baby. To the oven. I'm going to put this down on 350. And I'm going to do it for, I'm going to say, a good hour and 45 minutes. You understand? Listen, that's what I do and how I do it. Are you hungry? Alrighty, you guys, I'm ready for the oven. I've actually added onions to the top. I've added jalapeno pepper juice on here. And yeah, I'm getting ready to wrap this very tightly in this aluminum foil and into the oven. There we go. Tight wrap and a little water in the bottom of the pan just to make sure everything stays moist and just so. And away we go. All right, you guys, my pork roast is done. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Fantastic. Fantastic. I wish you could actually smell it. I wish you could smell it. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It's the other white meat. Listen, are you hungry? Happy New Year. This is part of my New Year's dinner. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful 2024. Do you understand? All right. Listen, it's going to be a wonderful year. Keep your eyes open for me. Are you hungry?